Hello, in this session I'll be showing how to create another charge item. We'll create an item called freight. This is where you enter the basic details. Item type is selected as other charge. Status is active by default. If the other charge is associated with a commodity, for example a grain discount, a commodity has to be selected here. Category. Categories are grouping of items for taxing and reporting purposes. These information are not required for other charges and they are disabled. Add all unit of measures in which freight is calculated. Move on to the setup screen. This is where all the GL accounts for the freight charge is added. Have a clearing account and an expense and income account. These accounts can be set up for the category level so that you do not have to set it up for each item. Location tab, you have to add all the locations in which this charge will be used. COS tab, you can set up a lot of default values over here, and these values will show up in the transaction screen by default. Inventory cost, it says whether this charge should be added to the cost of inventory. Accrue, you can expect an invoice from the vendor. Price decides whether this charge should be passed on to a vendor or a customer. Basis contract. Commodity prices have a basis component where all the cost goes in. You can decide whether this particular cost goes to a basis component. Cost type. Select a cost type here. There are different types of cost. The business rules varies with the type of cost you have selected. On cost, certain charges can be calculated on top of or based on another charge. For example, surcharge on freight. In that case, another charge called surcharge is created and the calculation is said to be on top of freight. These are the different types of calculation methods. It can be per unit, percentage, or amount. We can set up a default value here, which can be overwritten at the transaction level. So this is all for this session. Please subscribe as we are adding more videos. Thank you.